Here's a little money saving tip. If you like the color, it's bigger than an eyeshadow. This is our Latte Chromafusion contour, and I want you to compare it with Hazelnut Chromafusion eyeshadow. Oh, they're just about the same color. So if you love this color and it's a neutral that you're gonna wear all the time, go ahead and buy it in a bigger size. Save you some money. If you compare it, it's 3 times the size. Pretty cool, right? Same with Cocoa, which is a contour for a little bit darker skin than me. It's a little too dark for me, but it's the same as Cinnabar eyeshadow, right? Very close in color. So if this is a neutral that you're gonna use all the time, which I use these browns all the time, go ahead and buy the bigger size, right? It's 3 times the size. So this is $8 versus $14, and it's 3 times the size. So that's a good deal.